Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobile's RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to update apps from App Store on iPhone. Latest 2025 method full guide. Tap on the App Store icon and tap on the profile icon of the top right corner. Tap on it. You can see appears on screen, little bit scroll up. You can see update recently. If apps are showing updated, simply update the apps and that's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to update apps from App Store and iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more informative tech videos. Thanks for watching.